Insist on quality. Insist on value. Insist that the equipment you need is available when you need it. Insist on a partner who takes pride in the products they manufacture, the way they manufacture them, and the place they call home. Insist on the integrity of American craftsmanship. Insist on relentless attention to detail. Insist that your equipment starts with the highest quality materials and that skilled craftsmen, using state-of-the-art tools, cut it, bend it, shape it, weld it, and put on the finishing touches. Be done, and the way they ought to be done. Insist on stringent testing and on products that meet the most rigorous specifications. Yours. Insist on innovation, on engineers that don't believe in good enough, folks that spend their mornings drafting, their afternoons testing, and their evenings combing the web for customer feedback, who hear your suggestions and get to work, who design the best products on the market and get them to you at the best value. Insist on urgency, because your customers aren't going to wait. Insist it ships that day, because we know what you're doing is important. What you're doing is imperative. And we know that what you're doing must come first. Insist on teamwork, on people who know this business, who live this business, and know what it takes to compete in this business. Insist on a partner that's been growing for over 70 years, on a name you see behind every service counter, in every back office, and bookmarked on every browser. Insist on a company that keeps you running season after season, project after project, year after year. Insist on independence. Insist on a family-owned business. Insist on working with a fabric that's been sewn by 4 generations. A family of companies that keeps getting stronger and will never be swallowed by some large corporation. Insist on a company invested in the now with a cohesive vision for the future. Insist on passion. We live it every day. We know if it matters to you, it matters to us. Insist we work harder for you each day to design, manufacture, test, pack, and ship your product. When it comes to your work truck, insist on pride, passion, innovation, integrity, teamwork, and a sense of urgency. Insist on Byers Products Company, because nothing works like a dog.